So hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all be good. So my name is Chef Rahul Markam and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I wanna show you how we can fix this mince machine, right? Because now I have to mince this beef, right? So only one time for beef bolognese I will use this meat. Only one time I will mince this meat, right? So let's start. I want to show you how we can fix this all part of this mince machine, right? So let's start. So I would like to let you know it's already sanitized, properly clean washed, and this all surface area already washed nicely, right? And disinfected also. So it's time to fix. Let's start. So first of all, we will use this hole first. Then after that, we will use this one. Done. Then after that, this. Yeah, like this. Then in the last, we will put this one. And make sure here is a lock. So we need to pull this one. So it will be locked nicely. And in the last we will put this mold, right? This mold is very important. So this is the mold which can hold all the meat of mince, right? And we will tie this one very powerfully. Then we will put this cover, so you can see here hole. So from this hole we will put our this mince of meat. So from this part we can get our mince meat, right? So let's start. And make sure guys, if you are putting this meat, so don't use by your open hand, right? So always use the gloves, which is very important. Why we are using gloves? Because we are because we don't want to spread the proteins, right? So because if we will, let's say like if I will use this one by my hand, if I will put over there and I will touch somewhere like here, there, somewhere, so all the proteins, it will go there and it will, because the protein need only proper time and temperature to grow the bacteria, right? So it is very important, very important. So use always gloves if you are putting any kind of meat inside, right? So let's start. So here I have a gloves. Then I will turn on.